Guys, welcome back to another video, and for today we are going to be doing a tutorial for people that are new in gorillatag. And if you're watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I really need it and I really appreciate it. So let's go and get on to the tutorial. So first we gotta get to forest, obviously. That's gonna be the first map. We're gonna go on infection actually, because I want to also play tag in the tutorial. So for step 1 of this tutorial, we're gonna be practicing our wall running. So first, you have to start to wall climb, not wall climb, but wall climb like this. Go from one wall to the other wall to the other wall to the other wall, and once you get really good at it, you can get you can go at a speed. Can't really do it at this wall. Wait, let me go to a different wall. There's an easier wall over there. Oh, not over there, over there. To start your wall running and wall climbing. It's like the kind of like the starter part of actually learning how to play gorillatag for people that haven't played. Right here. It's an easier wall. Alright, so first you have to learn how to wall climb. So you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you can get really fast at it. And then once you get really high up on the wall, then you start to go like that. And then you just start to hit the wall. Not hit the wall like that, but go like that onto the wall and try to stay on the wall. That's really how you wall run. And then if you want to go really far, you just go that way. It's gonna be really hard though, because there's different spots, different curves, so you have to do something. I can try to get to that curve, but it would be hard to do, but I'll do it anyways. So you go like that, right? And go like that, and then you try to you have to keep doing that if you go all the way around. It's really hard. And then next step to funny run. It's not really a tutorial, but not a thing you really need to learn, because not many people need to do a funny run most of the time, now and then. But I'm still gonna teach you how to do it. So you can either go like this, or this, like that, or like that, or you can just go like that. You don't have to press any buttons. So you just go like this. You can go like that, run really fast, or you can just go like this. Go make your hands go all over the place really fast, and then you start going like that. Next step is to branch. This is a really good branch. Well, I start at this branch. Wait, no, I start at that branch. You go like that. You just go from branch to branch. Basically, jump from one branch to the other, like that and stuff. Yeah. Branch to branch, branch to branch. And then next step is the double walls. To walk to go like that, to go like this. Okay, I'm tagged. Wait. Okay, so go like this. To climb up one wall, you have to hug the wall like that. Give it a hug. Go up, 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 and you just keep going up the wall, and then right here, boom, and then you can jump to this one, and then jump to that right here, and then to go from that wall to that wall to that wall up, you have to go like this, right? And then hit up, hit up, hit up. But also you have to hit up, but also you have to hit also have to hit towards the other wall. to like actually be able to do it. And then boom, you make it up. And then I'm gonna show you a glitch because this is basically the end of the tutorial. But I'm gonna show you a glitch. I don't know if it's patched yet or not, but I'm still gonna show you what it exactly was. We're gonna have to go to canyons for this. Let's go to canyons. I keep getting tagged. Wait. Oh, by the way, guys, I changed my fit. My outfit is gonna be my like permanent gorilla tag career like outfit. I guess I can say. I don't know why. I chose that. I chose the other one, but like now this is it. I'll grab the camera so you guys can see. This is it. My entire outfit. And then the colors, that of course. There. My color code is 799. If you guys want to use it, you can. I'd rather not because it's a bad idea. Just kidding. No, no, I don't want to keep you guys out. We're going to canyons for this. I like holding the camera. My right. So this is like a rope glitch basically, and you have to like actually. I'm just gonna click record for fun. You just like go from a branch. You go from a branch like the most of the bottom, and then once like the bottom branch is like in the air. I mean the rope. You grab the bottom of the rope and then fling yourself. So let me put the camera to follow me, so I can show you guys exactly what I mean. You go like that, and then you just get really fast like that. Like that. That's what the glitch was. But it was like you would fling yourself and then you would go like flying across the map. It was crazy. I'm sorry guys if the camera's not working. The camera mont's not working. I'm sorry. But yeah. I'm trying to record with the camera mod. It worked once. One of the videos that I forgot that like there's a glitch with the camera mod where I clicked stop recording on the camera mod and then it actually like stopped recording. I thought I had to like first like turn off the recording on Oculus and then stop the recording on the camera, but like no, because I turned off the camera first and then it like stopped the recording, and I didn't see the red dot to like record. So like if you see a red dot on your screen, it means you're recording. So yeah, and I didn't see that. So once I didn't see that, once I realized it wasn't there, I was like, oh shoot, I stopped recording at like the wrong spot, and I was like, oh shoot, and then but that was like right after I told my dad to upload it, and he uploaded it. And then yeah, I'm sure you guys saw it. People that watch my videos, not that many people actually watch my videos. It's fine. And then we're gonna actually go to ranked map. Or now we're just gonna be doing like, you know, we're just gonna be going over there. Oh, and guys, I'm just real quick. I'm gonna check if they added a new secret map, virtual map. I don't know if they did yet or not. I'm gonna have to go. I'm going to right now. Did they? They did. Okay, now leaving city. Right? Now what's the map? Action game and rotating. Oh yeah, it's called rotating. What is this, bro? Scares me so bad. No, I'm leaving. Nope, I'm leaving. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, nope. I'm leaving. Nope. Too scared. Too scared. I'm actually too scared. No, no, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. I do not want to go back there. I don't want to go back there. Okay, Okay, no, I'm going to ranked, bro. That's way too scary, and they didn't even change it. Well, they did, but like, it's just a giant maze that leads to nowhere. Like, it doesn't lead to a map. It's just a maze to trick people. They added that to trick people. Oh, yeah, and by the way, there's one last part, I think, for the tutorial. We are actually gonna be learning how to um juke people. Actually, I think that's a part. Okay, it's not part of the tutorial, but like, it's still something you should learn to make sure you don't get tagged in infection. So there's one juke, and it's like, so you go right here, and then you like put your arm through because you don't have anything. So like your arms go through everything. See, if you can, you can go like that. You go through the wall like this and stuff, like that, and the juke people. Easier ones right here. The pole. Like you go like, wait, like that. Then there's another one like that. Involves a slide. So you go like this. Wait, put your arm through and then go like that. You go around. This is for like if you're running from a lava monkey, you can juke them really good. Okay, I'm trying to do it. It's really hard, obviously. Right there. That's how you do it. And there's also branch ones. Like you go like, wait. Okay, wait. I can't. Okay. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Okay, wait, what? I said goodbye.